Hi everyone, this is Modern Day Trading with some more live examples from October 10th, 2016. So here's TSRO. I just bought 100 shares at 115.40 and I put my stop right below 115. It's sitting at it's at 52-week highs right now with some positive news, and it's known to be a big mover. So I saw a quick pop in the morning and waited for a pullback and entered in that pullback. So there you have it. And right now my game plan is to see if it can break that high just made recently. And if it goes right there, makes it like a mini double top and doesn't break it, I'm gonna be ready to take off maybe half my position. So just broke, which is great. And now I'm just starting to take off little pieces of profits on each of these pops. So happy didn't hesitate to break it. Has some pretty nice follow through. Got already over 2 points really quickly. And I also got rid of most of my position as well, because when the money comes pretty quick, had no issues taking it as well. So anyways, I recorded the trading day today, but a lot of my trades are kind of not legible. I was switching through a lot of different market makers and leaving them on my other screens that you guys won't be able to see. So I just left out. I decided to cut those trades out, and I wanted to show you the trades that are more legible. So it won't be too many trades today that I'll be showing you, but some of these examples are pretty nice. So here TSRO, I got rid of most of it, and it kind of came back a little bit close to my price, which I had no issues because I took off the profits. And now TSRO is doing like a short time little support, so I added to it and I trailed the whole thing like 1 cent below that mini support, and I just got stopped out. So pretty much a nice scalp on TSRO. So now I skipped a lot more because other trades were pretty much scalps and they weren't that clear, so I left them on other screens. Here's Apple. I've been watching this all day to see what happens at 116, and it failed to hit 116 several times, but now it looks like it's ready to break it. So I bought it a little before it broke the whole number, and I added more on top of that at 01s. So I have 1,000 shares, and I put my stop right at 0.95, so it's not too much risk. It looked pretty nice in the daily chart. It's just been setting up, hitting 116.18 highs and then falling back down and slowly making like a cup kind of formation all the way back towards 116. So I like that, and I bought 116s. This is currently at 5 times the actual speed. So I bought in and I was hoping for a nice strong breakout. It popped only a few cents upwards and then came back down to my price and a little bit below it, so it made me feel a little uncomfortable. But luckily in this case, my stop price, even though it is tight, it is good enough for this trade, so it hasn't stopped me out yet. And Apple is just struggling to stay above 116. But with the daily chart formation, makes me feel more confident this is going to go at least 40 to the next 40-50 cents from the whole number. So that'll be my final targets. And since it's a thick stock, I'm just be taking some profits every 5-10 cents, and every quarter 25 cents I'll be looking to take off a bigger piece of my position. So now it's starting to look better. I'm happy it is. I'm watching to see if it could break that 0.18 previous high, which it did, but it came back down, so I already took off about 1/5 of my position. So I was only risking about $50-$60 at most on this trade, and currently already up more than 3 times the amount I risked on it. One very key thing to think of every time you're in a trade that you are currently profitable on, you have to think in terms of risk and reward and how it's changed. So in the beginning, I risked about 5 cents with 1,000 shares, and now I'm risking about 30 cents because I could take the profit at 20 something cents, and I'm risking those 20 cents of profit plus my stop price, another 5 cents. And I think in terms of that, so now I'm quote unquote risking around 25 cents, try to catch another, what I thought was going to hit to the 50-cent mark area. So I'll hit another 25 cents. So therefore, if it starts going against me, I'll be more ready to take off my position as opposed to hold it and risk my profits just to make the same amount. While in the beginning, I was risking little to make a lot more. So here I shorted BMY. It looked pretty weak and looked like it was trying to go down, so I shorted it. But this trade didn't really move that much. And I'm just watching Apple continuously make higher highs, so I'm feeling good, but I'm always taking profits as whenever it makes a higher high. BMY broke down to 55 and added some more. I mean the 50 whole number. And I just trailed my stop right above that 50. Hopefully it just keeps going down, but probably will stop me out. And I'm okay with that. Yeah. It stopped me out, printed through, so I got back in thinking that it was a fake break. And I was immediately in the money for over 10 cents. Oh, and I got stopped. I took out Apple. So pretty much averaged 25 cents with 1,000 shares. The Apple trade was really nice. Happy it worked out like I said. BMY, it's not really working. It'll be a scratch trade for a small stop out. So this is my day. I made 570, a little bit less than an hour and a half. Thanks for watching, guys.